Here's one example that I'll show you how my team recruits and sources candidates at scale throughout the entire world for any jobs that we get using this automation tool right here and this basically this recipe. So it starts with Apollo.io. I use this tool to scrape thousands and thousands of contacts. As you can see, every month I have over 10,000 exports that I can use on a monthly basis for only $30. If that interests you, let me know. Just reply here and I can help you get the same thing set up. But you simply go into Apollo and you do your searches back here, right? Just like you would in like Sales Navigator or regular LinkedIn or even Indeed. On the left-hand side, you just pick, the titles, the companies that you do or don't want to work with, the amount of employees in the company, the keywords, etc. So do your filtering, your Boolean searches right here, and then you get your result right here in the center. For this particular search, I got about 6,000 people. I'm down to almost 4,500 as I'm scraping. Another cool thing is Apollo will only let you scrape 25 contacts at a time if you were on the Apollo platform, but we have developed this Chrome extension which I can show you how to use as well. And you can download 125 contacts with one click of a button. So 5 pages right there, and boom, you have a great list. So you export all of these contacts, let's say they're candidates, and you bring them into the Recruiteme applicant tracking system, right? So they come in here and all of the contacts would come in here. So simply click import contacts, drop your CSV file. It doesn't matter. You can have 1,000 or 10,000, as many as you want. And from here, you would just simply create a workflow, an automation, right? You got to tell the system how you want to reach out to these candidates. So usually an email would be great, followed by a text message, followed by an email the next day. So you set up that cadence and you do that with workflows. And I help you set these up. So, examples of workflows look like this, where you just set up the triggers right here. So email, wait 60 minutes, email, wait 3 minutes, send a text message, and you compose your text and your emails over here on this side. I don't know why I'm having a hard time dropping my face over here, but okay, there we go. That's how it works. And then you set your path and it ends and you get tons of responses. So what's cool about this applicant tracking system is that all your conversations can be done right here in one unified box. As people reply to you from that campaign, you can email them, you can text them back, etc. You can set up calendar invites through here. You don't have to use Calendly. You can create opportunity funnels, as many as you want, which I love, and just move these people around in your opportunity sales funnel or candidate pipeline. And what's even better is like once you drop somebody's name or card into a certain stage within your opportunity pipeline, you can set up automated workflows in the background that trigger a series of emails and texts that go out to that prospect. So really cool stuff. Hope that helps, guys.